Hello. Good day everyone. I am Jerzen. Welcome back to this channel. This next repair is a sharp 32 inches karaoke TV. Model HK-LE3220UVM. The symptom of this unit is disc red error problem. Sometimes it will automatically off. And sometimes the song is freezing. I show you how to fix it. If you like electronics and want to learn about repair, you can get some ideas on my video. So don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell to update on my next video. So let's get started. I am not an authorized technician on Sharp electronic products, but I have a friend Margin, a professional electronics engineer, and also an authorized Sharp technician, told me that one of his code technician got some idea and also tell him how to fix it. So let's try that idea by reprogram the memory card mounted inside the MIDI board. The MIDI board is mounted inside this speaker box, so let's remove the speaker to remove that memory card for reprogram. Using MIDI remote, let's turn off the MIDI before ejecting the memory card, to avoid files corrupted, and for safety purposes only. Now let's eject the memory card. This memory card is programmed on that MIDI. The memory card and the MIDI is partner. My friend told me that if you put a memory card from another MIDI, the MIDI can't read the files from another memory. Now let's put this memory card into a card reader device, and let's plug the card reader device into USB of laptop or any kind of desktop. So we need only one Phillips screw, one card reader device, and a laptop to fix this problem. Now let's plug the card reader into USB port of laptop, to start the reprogram. I am very sorry for the video quality, because I use only an Android phone for this video, and I am in a home service. On a My Computer window, let's enter the sharp_v1 folder, and let's copy all files into another empty folder. Let's copy this two folders into another empty folder, the folder named _OKHDD, and the folder named user data. Let's minimize the Sharp window first, and let's make another window for a new empty folder. I named Jerzen on the new empty folder. Now let's open both folder, the Sharp folder and the Jerzen folder into two windows. Let's adjust the two windows sizes, to fit the desktop display, and to visualize properly the files, if it is all copied from Sharp folder into Jerzen folder. Now we can visualize the two windows. Let's click and drag the _OKHDD and the data user from Sharp window to Jerzen window, because my laptop control button is defective and I can't access the shortcut key on copy paste. Now let's wait the computer to copy all the files from Sharp folder to Jerzen folder. Computer copied 65%, 87%, 90%, 96%. Now all files from Sharp folder already copied 100%. Now let's refresh both windows. After we refresh and after we copy all the files from Sharp memory card, let's maximize the Sharp window and let's reformat the Sharp memory card. If you encountered a file that hard to copy, just click skip all the time to continue copying. And take note, do not corrupt while copying to avoid data loss, just patiently wait until all data copied successfully. Seems looks like the memory card is still running, and I cannot reformat the memory card. Seems I have a trouble. I choose no for this action, and I check if all data from Jerzen's file is present from background folder to 000 folder to 99 folder to tempo unzipped files. Seems looks like all files are copied. No worries. Now let's proceed back to force reformat the Sharp memory card. Now the Sharp memory card already reformat. Let's reformat it again for sure. Memory already reformatted 2 times. Now I am sure that all data from Sharp memory already cleaned. Let's open the JRSONs folder and let's delete an abstract background located at BKG or background folder. Because I found that this abstract background size is much bigger than event and view background. I think this is one of the cause why the memory is stressed and caused hang, due to big MB size. Maybe, I don't think so, but I will delete that pretty looking abstract background. Now let's test the tiny MB capacity event background. Let's play the event background using media player. I forgot that my media player is not working. Okay, never mind. Now let's proceed to reprogram the Sharp memory card. Let's open both JRSON and Sharp folder on 2 windows. Let's click and drag the _OKHDD folder, and the data user folder, from JRSON window, to Sharp window, to put back all data we deleted from Sharp memory card. Now let's wait again the computer to copy all the files from JRSON folder to Sharp folder. Copied 33%, 41%, 63%, 71%, 88%, 93%. Now the Sharp memory card reprogrammed 100%. And all files from BGV or background folder, to 000 to 99 folder, and the tempo unzipped files, are all present, except the pretty abstract background that we deleted. Now let's safety eject the memory card from this laptop, and let's put back the memory card to MIDI. The memory card is now safe to eject. Let's put it back to MIDI. Now let's turn on the MIDI power. Let's program the remote to random the music. Seems okay now. Thank you to my friend Margin Hinkit for sharing this idea. I hope you make a YouTube blog also, soon.
A few moments later.
The unit is okay now. If you found this video is useful, please support by clicking the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to update on my next video. Thank you.